What is your full name?
My name is Muhammad Saban Hussein Iman.
Where
Yes.
do you live?
I live in Doha, Qatar.
Qatar, Doha. What do you do in Qatar?
I work in Arabic restaurant as a supervisor.
How many hours do you work every day?
I am working every day. It's 9 hours. 1 hour is break. 8 hours for my duty.
Where do you live?
Yeah, I live in home Qatar. My
Uh,
boss is that's why I live in
you
home.
live in your boss's home.
Yes.
Okay, now, normally everybody lives in hostel or mess with many people, but you have
Yes.
a big, large sofa behind you, so it looks like another home.
Not like that. I have only just one room. Yeah, one bed and two cupboard. Like it's a small room.
Why are you learning English?
I learned English first of all myself and my future and my job also because I need to learn English is very important for me.
Do you get a lot of foreign customers?
Yes, it's too much because my shop in tourist area is that's why there is all
So
tourists.
you work in a restaurant, Arabian restaurant?
Yes, Arabian restaurant.
Do you like Arabian food?
Yes, I like Arabian food. It's not too much, but I like.
Do you like food of your own restaurant?
Yes.
Is it tasty?
Yeah, its taste is good. That's why because I met that
How many hours do you practice English every day?
every day is 2 hours.
Don't you have work during that time?
No, now actually I don't. We still not open the shop because now I am a supervisor. That's why I want to make a menu, everything. That's why I am here now.
Okay, your test is over.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're most welcome. You did good. How are you?
Yeah, Alhamdulillah, I'm fine by the grace of Allah.
What is your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Mahfudur Rahman Shakil. You can call me Shakil. It's my nickname.
And where do you live?
Currently, I live in Oman, Salalah.
And what do you do in Salalah?
Basically, I am a graphics designer and CNC machine operator.
How did you learn graphic design?
I was learn graphic design in Bangladesh. My big brother is a graphic designer. That's why he will teach me a little bit.
What kind of designs can you make?
Yeah, I make the signboard design and T-shirt design and visiting card design.
Do you make all the designs manually or do you use AI now?
I am using Photoshop, Illustrator, CorelDRAW, this software, not using AI.
And how many hours do you work?
I am working 8 to 9 hours.
If you are a graphic designer, you can work from home, right? So why are you staying in Oman?
Okay, I am a graphic designer. I live here because I have a good opportunity, good salary. That's why I came here.
But don't your company offer you to work from home?
No, it's a science company basically. That's why I go there and on site I can work.
And what is the average salary of a graphic designer in Oman?
My salary is 300 won, but others person I don't know. Sometimes some people are getting 200, 180 real.
When will you come back to Bangladesh?
Inshallah, after 6 months.
Don't you miss your family?
Yeah, I miss my mother's, my sister.
All right, your test is over.
Thank you, sir.
How are you, Arafat?
Alhamdulillah, I'm fine. And you?
Alhamdulillah, I'm great. Where do you live?
I live in Kuwait.
What do you do in Kuwait?
I doing work a private company.
How many hours do you work every day?
I work 8 hours.
Do you cook your own food?
No, sir. My company provide my food.
Arabian or Bangladeshi?
Some Arabian, some Indian food, some Bangladeshi food, like this.
So which food do you like the most? Arabian, Indian, Bangladeshi?
I like food, Bangladeshi food, sir.
Why not other foods?
But Bangladeshi food is good because it's spicy.
Indian food is not spicy?
Indian food also is spicy, but not like, don't like.
How many hours do you practice English every day?
I practice English more than 4 hours, sir. Now I don't use Facebook. Every time I practice English.
When will you come back to Bangladesh?
Maybe 3 months.
Don't you miss your family now?
Yes, sir. Always I miss my family.
Your test is over.
Thank you, sir.
Salman Hussain. Where do you live?
I live in Dammam.
What do you do in Dammam?
I work bus.
Do you live with your family?
I live alone.
Where is your family?
My family is Bangladesh.
Don't you miss your family?
Yes, I miss my family.
Why are you learning English?
I learning English for my future.
Will you stay in Saudi Arabia always, or will you go back to Bangladesh again?
I will come back to Bangladesh after 1 year.
When do you practice English?
I practice English in the morning.
Do you stay busy all day?
Sometime I am busy.
What will you do tomorrow?
Tomorrow I am practice English.
Do you like to learn English?
Yes, I like to learn English.
Do you find it interesting?
Yes, this is interesting for me.
Your test is also over. Riyadh, are you ready?
Yes, sir. Inshallah.
Where do you live, Riyadh?
I live in Dubai.
What is your full name?
My full name is Muhammad Riyad.
What do you do in Dubai?
I do cleaning company in office.
Where is your home?
My home Kishorganj.
What is your age?
My age is 20.
For how many years are you living in Dubai?
2 years.
Okay, don't
Yes,
you
sir.
miss your family or your friends?
Yes, sir. I also miss my mom and my brother.
When will you come to visit Bangladesh again?
I will go after 1 year.
Do you speak with your family every day?
Yes, sir.
Okay, will you go to office tomorrow, or will you go to work tomorrow?
Yes, sir. I'll go to work tomorrow.
And do you cook your own food?
No, sir. I buy my food.
Your test is also over.